Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdurrahman and I am an intern at the Sparks Foundation. Now I will explain the project in which I worked on the exploratory data analysis using Power BI desktop. See, in this dataset is about the sample superstore. In this dataset, I uh, we have given the ship mode first, in which the categories in which of ship mode are given, through which the sales of products are happening, such as second class, standard class, first class, and same day shipment mode. The country is United States, in which the sales are happening, and different states are also given here. And categories and subcategories are also given, in which the different discounts and quantity and profits are happening. Different subcategories of products and categories of products. Now I will explain and visualize the business problems in and weak areas of this business, in which we can work on to make more profit on this business model. First, we identify the weak areas where we can generate more profit. So I will see you my visualization here. See, this is my visualization. First, I have visualized the profit by state. This visualization will show you different states have different profit, such as Indiana has 123.3 average profit. We can also identify the weak areas, such as Colorado has the less average profit of in minus. It is a weak area. In Florida, the profit is also less. It is also a weak area. Such as Illinois is same, and so on. Here I have visualized the profit by region. The West has the most profit, the West region. East has less than West. South has even less, and Central has the least profit. Okay. Now here I have shown the profit by category and subcategory. We can see in this visualization that the Central has the least profit, Central region. It is a weak area. We should work on it to make more profit in the Central region to solve the business problem. It is a business problem we should solve. Here we can see the profit by category and subcategory. The technology category has more profit. We can see 44.52. Copiers have also more profit, such as 55.62k dollars. Now we can see here that the machines subcategory and in the category of technology, the profit is very low, of overall 3.38k dollars, which means 3,000 something dollars, which is very low. This profit is of all the states of United States, which is low. The reason behind this, there could be many reasons behind this, such as the products of machines are not reliable, and while shipment they could be broken, or the machines are not working properly, so customer demands refund many times, so that's why the profit could be low, or the profit margin could be less in this subcategory and category. This is a major business problem. Here we can see the profit and quantity and sum of sales by ship mode. The same day ship mode has the least profit. The first class has more than the same day, second class has more than first class in same day, and the most profit is generating in the standard class ship mode. Okay, why the same day ship mode has less profit? Because the quantity of products in which sales are generating and the sum of sales in the same day is least, more in first class, even more in second, and even more in standard. So we should work on to make more sales and more quantity in which sales are happening to make more profit at the same day shipment, which could solve our business problem and make this weak area a strong area of profit on the business. Here we can see that different ship modes show different graphs and visualizations at different regions and different states. See, different aspects have different visualizations in Power BI. Standard class is different and so on. Now I will show you some more business problems in this data set and how can we work to, to make this to solve these business problems. Now here is the other dashboard. Here is the second dashboard. Firstly, in this visualization is about the profit and quantity by segment. Different segments of customers are present in which different types of segment of customers are demanding products. Number one is home office, number two corporate, and number three consumer. The home office segment has the least amount of quantity of sales generation, more in corporate and even more in consumer. We should work on to make this is a weak area of profit because it is generating the least profit, the home office segment. So we should work on to increase the quantity in the home office mode to make the most to make the more profit in the home office segment to solve these business problems. The more the profit, the more the reliable would be business and more worthy and more justified. Here the sum of quantity, sum of discount, and sum of profit is given. Now we will show the sales and discount by region. Here we have previously also discussed that the central is the region in which the profit is least. Why the profit at the central region is weak and why it is a weak area? Because the total discount at the central region is highest. See here, sum of discount at the central region is 550 at in south is 230 at and east is 414 and in west it is 350. So we should work on see here the profit is low. It is not high profit. Huh. So we should decrease the discount in the central region to make more profit. We can solve this business problem by this. Here now in this visualization Now in this visualization we can see the profits by city, total profit by city. In the cities between 0 to 100% the profit generation is high in those cities, and the cities and and there, if we go forward, we can see that some cities have profit from 0 to minus 100%, such as this city that normal is generating very low profit, such as minus $10. It is extremely low. We should work on this weak area to make more profit in the city normal. We should work on the cities between 0 to minus 100% and to make more profit in these cities. Now I will show you the sales, profit and discount by ship mode. We can see here that the standard class ship mode has the most profit, the less in the second class, more less in first, and the even less in the same day shipment mode. The It is because in the same day shipment mode the discount and the sales is lowest, even more in first class, even more in second, and the most in the standard class. So we should work and increase the discount and sales in the same day shipment mode to increase the profit in the same day shipment mode, so we could ship the products in the same day, and this will cause business reliability. Here in this visualization we are seeing the sales by state. The California has the most sales of 4,57,000 something dollars, and the sale there in Massachusetts is less of 28,000 something dollars, which is low. We should also increase the sales so that more sales, more profit to make business reliable and more worthy. Here in this visualization we are seeing the profit and quantity by city. In the New York City the profit generation is highest. In Detroit the profit is less than the New York City. In Lakewood the profit is even more less. In Lowell the profit is even more less than Lakewood. And in Smyrna the profit is even more less than Lowell. Why the profit is most in the New York City and profit is decreasing by the cities? It is because the quantity in which the sales are generating in the New York City is highest. The less in the Detroit, even more less in Lowell. The quantity in which some sales are generating in Lowell is less of the city, 60. In Lakewood it is higher than Lowell, but in Lowell it is less, it is 60, and so on. So we should work on and increase the quantity in which the cells are generating in Lowell and Lakewood and Detroit and so on to increase more profit in these cities, and such as in other cities such as here La Mesa and so on and so forth in all cities. So these all cities which are given. So if we increase the quantity of the sales generation in which the sales are generating, we could increase the profit like New York City, so that the this business problem would be solved if we apply this scenario. That's the whole visualization I explained of this project, and that's all from my side. Allah Hafiz.